everyone, here we are at Dollar Tree. Let's walk through and see what they have. Okay, so these candle holders, they brought these back to this Dollar Tree. Then we have the regular candle holders, and along the top you have the tapered ones. Now these little mini vases right here, I don't know, those are new and they're so pretty. I gotta think of something to do with them. And then these are not new. You can use them this way for the tapered candle, or you can use them this way for like a tea light. They brought the mirrors back in the square, the round, and if you notice here, that octagon shape. Okay, then you have some tea lights over there and some potpourri and tea lights here. So some wax melts along the top here. I'm going to point out something if I see it that's new. Okay, here are the tapered candles with the battery operated ones. Here's some incense and some more tea lights. They're candles and there's sashes along the bottom. I don't think I've seen these. Candied violets. No, I think these are new. Coconut macaroon. Let's see what this one is. Let's see. Mango smoothies. So these candles are all new. Okay, so here's the scripture candles. Be brave, strong, and fearless. Faith moves mountains, and pray without ceasing. Those are really nice. And these, I believe these are new. These right here. Then we get into the picture frames. So let's see if I see anything new. Enjoy the little things. I think that frame is new. So along the top, what are these? Oh, look at this. I think I've seen these. These are a little bit bigger. Welcome to our guests, and you write the Wi-Fi number in there. I think that's a pretty neat idea. And I'm absolutely loving these frames. They usually come out during graduation, but they are so beautiful. And I think they come in two shapes because this is a more square. Okay, and these are the frames. This one looks new. This one says family, a whole lot of love. And these, the floating frames, those are really nice. They came back. This one says here, begin each day with a grateful heart. They brought the easels back, and these are really cute in colors. I'm just going to scan some of these for you so you could see. They did bring back the 11 by 14 frames, which they didn't have for a long time. And these right here are really pretty. Some more easels. Along the bottom they have those signs, and they still have those cocktail and gift and ceremony. So those are the kids' little mirrors right there. And then this here, these boxes, I'm really loving these. So this says thankful, grateful, blessed. And then they still have these boxes right there. Those are really cute. So now at the other location I was in, they had these square vases in the bigger size. So let me see if we can find those. They have these. They always seem to come back. They say homemade. Then they have this one with the chain. Okay. They have these vases, this little mini carafe, and then they brought these back. They have these. Let's see. Okay, so there we have the vases. This was in the glass area. They brought it over here with the vases, and then they have these. They have these color ones. These are really nice. And some more along the top. Then you have some saint candles over here. Okay, and the round fish bowls down here. So here we have two different sizes of the fish bowl. So I'm absolutely loving these cotton pods. They have two different kinds. At least it looks like two different kinds. You have that style right there, and then you have this style right here. So it's two different ones. Then they have the smaller pearls and And these ornaments right here. And look, they have these bouquet bags. So now they come in colors. So here's the red and here's the pink. So now here's like the gem ribbon. I seen this before at the Dollar Tree by where I live. Some bling wrap. A lot of these summer type ribbons, even the happy birthday ones. Okay, here's the unicorn and the rainbow. The grosgrain ribbon. Here's some floral tape and the mirror decals. I love this crown one. Okay, then they have these vine balls. Okay, in those two sizes. And here's some bling wrap in the blue and in the pink. Here are the wooden chalk stakes and the moss sheets and the floral moss. And we always seem to have tons of these succulent picks. So now this is the first time I'm seeing this. What is this? So let's see. I think these are little bouquets, which I think are really pretty for $1. That's what that one looks like. So these are little floral picks. These are the red ones. Let me see if I can pull out one of these purple ones. Isn't that pretty? I think those are pretty. Okay, so they have these kind of floral picks too. Those are limited. These are the satin ribbons right here. These have a sheen to them. Then they have this, the happy birthday ribbon. That's really nice. They have some burlap here, the lighter green and the darker green. And then here is some floral foam that you can use to make wreaths. And like I said, they have tons of these gift reception and ceremony. These come in so handy. And then they have these kind of wreaths. They have the straw bale. They have these willow wreaths, or it's a willow wreath blend. Then they have, I think that's a jewelry holder. And then they have these. They have those signs along the bottom and these here. So this one says, wake up and smell the coffee. Isn't that cute? Then it says, whine a little, laugh a lot. Welcome to our home. And then they have this antisocial. None of these are new. I like these. Then they have born to shine. Then they have these kind. Life is meant to be lived. And I'm absolutely loving these frames. They're shaped like a camera. Isn't that cute? So they have them in the blue, that yellow, that purple. Let me see if I can get to the pink. And that's the pink. Then along here we have some canvases, and they brought back the dry floral bouquets. Let's see this. This is nice. So I don't want to take those down because I don't want them to fall. So then over here we have some of the marbles. We have this mirror that came back, and then this is some Spanish moss, and these are the fans. So here's some sand, here are the seashells and the pebble stones. And this is called the micro green mild mix. And then this one is the hot mix. Okay, so here we have some more of the summer florals. A lot more reds over here. And I'm looking for these new stickers that I saw somebody hauling. Let's see. This one says stars. I'm loving these gem borders. They have them in the pink and that blue, and then these are the starburst ones. These are the rest of the stickers, and I'm not seeing the ones that I'm looking for, and some stencils, some rub-ons. These are the wooden ones they have. I did at this Dollar Tree. You have the canvases. this. They have the wood one. Here's the toads. Look, these. Okay, guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to take a look at what they have, and I'll see you in the next video.